Imagine a serene pond, its surface adorned with a radiant lotus flower, its roots anchored deep in the nutrient-rich mud below. This is your gut, nestled in the large intestine, a vibrant ecosystem teeming with trillions of microbes. In Alana Collins' 10% Human, the gut is revealed as the epicenter of health and disease, a delicate balance that shapes our bodies and minds. Just as a lotus thrives or wilts based on the pond's health, our well-being hinges on the gut's microbial harmony. When this balance falters, diseases, from obesity to diabetes, take root. Enter Dr. Nikhil Dhurandhar, a physician and nutritional biochemist from India whose groundbreaking work has transformed our understanding of obesity. With 35 years of expertise, now a professor at Texas Tech University, Dr. Dhurandhar gained fame for guiding Bollywood star Amir Khan's dramatic body transformation in Dangal. But his true legacy lies in uncovering a surprising culprit behind obesity, a virus called AD36. In the 1980s, while working in India, Dr. Dhurandhar noticed something peculiar. An infectious virus was devastating poultry farms, killing chickens. But the infected birds were unusually fat, with enlarged livers and abundant fat stores. Intrigued, he hypothesized that this virus might also cause obesity in humans. Unable to continue his research in India due to restrictions, he moved to the United States, joining forces with nutritional scientist Richard Atkinson. Since the chicken virus couldn't be shipped, they studied a related human adenovirus, AD36. Dr. Dhurandhar's experiments revealed that AD36 disrupts the delicate dance of digestion, nutrient absorption, and immunity. The virus infects fat cells, prompting them to store more fat and impairing the body's ability to regulate energy. It also weakens immune responses, leaving the body vulnerable to inflammation and metabolic chaos. His studies showed that animals infected with AD36 gained significantly more weight than uninfected counterparts, even on the same diet. In humans, those with AD36 antibodies were more likely to be obese, suggesting a viral trigger for weight gain. Beyond viruses, the gut's microbial residents, Bacteroidetes and Firmicutes, play starring roles in body weight. Picture Bacteroidetes as the slim microbes, efficient at breaking down complex carbohydrates and promoting leaner bodies. Firmicutes, the obese microbes, are energy extraction experts, squeezing extra calories from food and storing them as fat. In obese individuals, the gut is dominated by Firmicutes, with a higher Firmicutes to Bacteroidetes ratio, leading to a 2% increase in calorie absorption, enough to add significant weight over time. Slim individuals, however, have more Bacteroidetes, fostering a metabolism that resists fat accumulation. To transform an obese gut into a slim one, we must reduce Firmicutes and boost Bacteroidetes. Diets rich in fiber, think asparagus, oats and bananas, feed Bacteroidetes, promoting their growth. Prebiotics like inulin, found in garlic and onions, can increase bifidobacteria, a Bacteroidetes ally, by up to 3% in weeks. Weight loss interventions like bariatric surgery also lower the Firmicutes to Bacteroidetes ratio, enhancing microbial diversity. But why doesn't an obese person easily become slim, or a slim person gain weight despite overeating? The gut microbiome locks in a metabolic set point. In obesity, Firmicutes-driven calorie extraction and inflammation resist weight loss. In slim individuals, Bacteroidetes and efficient nutrient processing prevent excessive fat storage, even with higher food intake. Let's dive into the world of fat cells, or adipocytes, the body's storage units. Imagine a slim fat cell as a tidy, half-filled balloon, flexible and ready to multiply when needed. When a slim person gains weight, these cells fill slightly, then divide, creating new, smaller fat cells that keep the body lean and adaptable. This process, called hyperplasia, maintains a healthy weight. In obesity, fat cells are like overinflated balloons, swollen with fat and too full to divide. Instead of multiplying, they expand, a process called hypertrophy, storing more fat and triggering inflammation. This growth crowds tissues, causing metabolic strain. As fat cells transition from normal, stage 1, to enlarged, stage 2, overweight, to massively swollen, stage 3, obese, the body accumulates excess weight. The difference between a slim and obese person's weight based on BMI can be as little as 8 kilograms, yet the impact is profound. Obese fat cells don't just store fat, they wreak havoc on the skin. Overloaded adipocytes release inflammatory signals, disrupting skin cell turnover and melanin distribution. This leads to dark, patchy spots, often seen on the neck or underarms of obese individuals, a condition called acanthosis nigricans. These black spots are a visible sign of the metabolic chaos driven by hypertrophic fat cells. Picture two side-by-side illustrations. On the left, slim fat cells, small, round, half-filled balloons floating in a spacious, healthy tissue matrix, with a few new cells budding off, symbolizing hyperplasia. On the right, obese fat cells, massive, overstuffed balloons packed tightly, squeezing surrounding tissues, with no new cells forming, representing hypertrophy. Dark patches on the obese side skin layer highlight acanthosis nigricans, linking obese fat cells to black spots. Finally, let's explore the work of Patrice Cani, a leading researcher at Gut Microbiota for Health. Cani's studies focus on phagocytes, immune cells that patrol the gut like sentinels. In obesity, a disrupted gut microbiome increases intestinal permeability, creating a leaky gut. This allows bacterial fragments like lipopolysaccharides to slip into the bloodstream, triggering phagocytes to unleash inflammation. Cani's research shows that boosting beneficial microbes like Akkermansia mucinifera, a Bacteroidetes member, strengthens the gut barrier, calming phagocyte activity and reducing obesity-related inflammation. His work underscores the gut's role as a gatekeeper, where microbial balance dictates immune health. The gut, like a lotus in a pond, is the heart of our health. Dr. Dhurandhar's AD36 research, the Bacteroidetes Firmicutes tug-of-war, fat cell dynamics, and Cani's phagocyte insights reveal how deeply our microbes shape our bodies. By nurturing our gut with fiber, prebiotics, and mindful living, we can shift from obesity's grip to a slimmer, healthier future. The lotus can bloom again, vibrant, balanced, and full of life.